Hey guys, welcome back to WP Manager. In this video, we're gonna take a look at our event alert settings for our event alerts add-on. So previously, I showed you how to install the event alerts add-on and activate it. We gave you a rough idea how to create the event alerts dashboard page in the front end manually. And today we're gonna explore the settings section for event alerts. To access the settings section, we can go to our WordPress dashboard. From there, we can choose event manager and then we can go to settings. From here we can switch back to our event alerts tab. In here you will see 4 configurable options. I'll go through each one of them. So first we have alert email content. So this is basically a email template that will get sent to the user in their inbox. Coming back to that more later on, we have the alert duration. So that's 90 days by default. So we can now enter a number over here that will represent the number of days before the alerts being sent automatically will be disabled. We can even leave this blank to disable that feature as well. By default, it will be turned off after 90 days. Then we have alert matches. So sometimes, suppose user created an alert based on feature or parameters, the alerts by default get sent to the inbox regardlessly if a match been found for that criteria or not, right? So here is an example of the mail I received in the inbox, but the alert didn't had any match for our event criteria. So we can check this box over here and save changes. What that will make the event alerts add-on do, if the user's alert criteria matches and at least have one result or one event regarding that criteria or filter, only then the alert will get sent to the inbox. Otherwise, it stays disabled until a new match or new event with that specific criteria has been found. Then we have alert page ID. So this drop down over here helps us to select the page where we have pasted the event alert shortcode for our event alerts dashboard. So this drop down over here will be auto configured if you use the setup wizard for our event alerts add-on. Otherwise, if you created the event alerts page like we showed in our previous video manually, then you have to come back over here and select the appropriate page from here. Coming back to the very first topic over here, that's alert email content. Let's resize this text box a little bit so we can see the full of it. So we have a basic email template that say hello display name. So that's the user's display name on the WordPress website. Then we have the following events were found matching your alert name, right? So the alert name is the alert the user has been created from the front end side and gave it a name. What I mean by that, let's go to our alert dashboard and I'll show you. So in here, I have the alert dashboard open. As you can see, we have a test alert by the name of test alert. So when the mail gets triggered, the alert name will show as the alert name over here. That's test alert. And then we have the events. So this shortcode will list out all the matching events found under the alert criteria or parameters. So then we have your next alert for this search will be sent the alert next date. So that's the date for the next alert when it will get triggered or sent to the inbox. Then the simple text says to manage your alerts, please log in and visit your alerts page here. So that's the alert page URL coming from here, the alert page ID that will embed the complete link to that alert dashboard over here. And then we have the alert expiry. So this tag over here will include a paragraph or text about the expiry details for this alert. So since we have covered the basic template over here on the email side, you can of course modify this over here to match your criteria or match your website's branding. You can include custom text, images and stuff and HTML tags as well. So feel free to modify this email template over here as per your need and let us know in the comment as well how you use it. So for further demonstration, let's trigger an email alert for this default email template over here, that we can do that from our alert dashboard over here. We can click on this mail button over here that will send mail to our inbox. So that you can see on your screen right now. So that's the basic default template for an alert. We have the same hello our name, and we have all the our text. So the following events were found matching your alert name event alert. But since we didn't found any event for the criteria, it says no events were found matching your search. Log into your account and change your alert criteria, and then we see your next alert for this search will be sent at October 15th, 2020. Then we have to manage your alerts. Please log in and visit your alerts page over here. We have the page link and the expiry message at the bottom that says this event alert will automatically stop sending after January 12, 2021. So let me show you how you can easily modify this template over here. We can easily modify this text over here and add more text or HTML tags if you want. Let's say we want to add a regard text or thank you text from the website. So as you can see, I have added 2 lines of text to demonstrate the modification for the email template. And now we can save changes. Then we can head back to our alert dashboard page. We can click the button over here once again. That will send the new email template along with all the data to our inbox once again. So now I have received the mail. So as you can see on your screen, we have the default template as well as we saw before, and as I have added these 2 new line of text in our email content, we can see those texts being reflected in this mail as well. So that's how you modify the alert email content using settings section of WP Manager. And feel free to use HTML tags alongside with these shortcodes over here to make your perfect email content template as well. So being that said, that's pretty much wraps it up for this video. This video was all about modifying the settings for our event alert add-on. I showed you a demo of how you can modify the email content as well. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, a subscribe to the channel would be phenomenal. Being that said, I'm Sharad signing off. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.